Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I'm bringing you a very short video, and this one is I'm actually participating in a collaboration or challenge, and this one is the Summer Affair Challenge, and it is hosted by the lovely Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, she has a co-host for this collaboration, and it is the lovely Tae of Uneatly Tae. Now, if you don't know those ladies, I hope you do, but if you don't, or even if you do, please go down, find the links in my description box to their channels, pay them a visit today, show them some love, and tell them Candy sent you. Also, make sure you visit the playlist because you will see some really nice summer makeovers. Now guys, I'm showing you my bedroom. You've seen this bedroom a few times because I'm constantly making it over, changing it around. So what I did this time for my little summer refresh is I first of all changed the room around. I did have the bed up against the window there where the TV is now. Moved the bed to this side just to give the room a different look. I had recently changed out the curtains, so I didn't do anything with that. And the mirrors on the wall stayed the same. I also had, not too long ago, purchased these nightstands. So I really just gave them a good wipe down. And the lamps, too, they're new, so I left all that stuff there. And again, just gave everything a good wipe down. Now what I did do is add a little bit of a pop of pink. Couldn't add too much because I would probably have a real frou-frou pink and white bedroom, but got to make sure my honey here is not too uncomfortable in the room. So what I did is change out the florals that I have on each nightstand, and I added just a little pop of pink. I freshened up the linen a little bit on the bed, added a little pop of pink, and changed out the bed tray. I had a different tray here, and you'll see I did the pink florals on each side. Didn't do a lot, just gave it a good overhaul, good cleaning, and like I said, rearranged everything. I changed this corner. I think I had this chair somewhere else. Also changed out the pillow, put a nice little pink pillow there. Again, not too much pink, just a little bit. And I moved the TV, as I said before, to that wall. Now the dresser, I think I had shown you a video previously where this dresser was an old brown dresser that I redid. I painted it, took the hardware off, spray painted the hardware, and just kind of updated it. Eventually I'll get a new dresser, but for now it's fine. Also replaced the mirror that sits on top. I did that in a previous video, and I spray painted it silver. And guys, you'll notice that I mix silver and gold. Just something I like to do. I think it gives a room a lot more richness when you mix your metals, and I've probably said that a few times. On the dresser, I have a simple pink silk scarf and a little bling tray, and this is a little DIY centerpiece that I did, or a little DIY vase. I spray painted that vase. It was clear, and I did a little DIY floral arrangement, and then I added these little candle holders that you've seen, I'm sure, a time or two. And on the wall, I've got these little blinged out mirrors that I found some time ago at Ross, I believe. And again, subtle touch of pink. I just added some pink candles. And over here, same thing. Little subtle touch of pink. Didn't change that corner much, although I did put, that picture had been moved and I put it back over there. So that's all I got, guys. Again, not a complete overhaul or anything by any means, but I have changed this room so many times that it just wouldn't make sense to do that right now. But it still could use a little bit of a summer refresh. Now, guys, after I stop talking, I'm going to show you just a brief slideshow that'll take you to the end of the video so that you can kind of see the progression of this room and how it's changed from the first time I saw it. And again, this fixer-upper project that I've been on, I've been on this journey for a couple years now, and it's taken a lot of work to get the house to this point. And although I'd like to do more, I think we've come a long way. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And again, guys, stay on so that you can see the little before and after slideshow. And make sure you go over and visit Tammy, and her channel is Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And Uneatly Tae, she's got a fantastic channel. Please go over and visit her. And again, I've got links to both of their channels down in my description box along with the playlist. And if you don't subscribe to this channel, I really hope you'll do that today. Make sure you hit that subscription button, tap that bell a couple times so that you'll be updated every time I upload new content. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.